Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aisha and I make videos once a week on a Sunday. So today I am here with you with a really nice gift idea if you want to get a Christmas present, birthday present, or just treat yourself. I have just the thing. So I was contacted by a company, an American company called Modelones. No, that's a lie, Modelones, and they basically specialize in kind of nail kits and things like that, nail tools. So I was like, oh, okay, you know me, I love my nail polishes and stuff like that. So they sent me some stuff over, and literally it's one of the nicest PR packages I think I have received in a long time. So let me show you what they sent me, okay, because I was shook when I got to a certain point kind of opening some of these things. I've not opened everything, but let me, where do I start? Okay, so basically they sent me some nail polishes, and it came, like I said, from the US, all packaged, really well packaged. There's like the, what you call it, poppy thing inside. So yeah, so there's this box first of all that I'll show you, and inside here are the nail polishes. So, and the nail polishes are so cute, like, look at this. Look at that. You can see this. Come on. There we go. How cute is that? Like, I absolutely love the packaging. So they sent me two different colors, and actually I realized that they asked me what colors I want, but I didn't see that part, so I didn't reply to it. So let's see what colors they sent me. Okay, so there's like a silver, and oh, we're out of focus here. Let's catch up. There we go. And what color is this? Ooh, yes, a white. I love white. Beautiful. Okay, so there, the two nail polishes there, and again, I absolutely love this packaging. Beautiful. And then there is the top and base coats, which are in here. The packaging looks like that. It is really nice, like very good quality. Everything feels so like weighty, and yeah, it's really good quality. Okay. Ooh, these come in these boxes as well, in these packages. Ah. Okay, so these are the top and base coats. Okay, so there's two of them there, and I think it's just the same, like one is a top and base coat, I believe. Can't see it says any different. Oh no, actually it says underneath, one's the base, one's the top. Okay, cool. So I've got those. And what else came in the box? So I also had this, which is the UV lamp, which I've not actually opened yet. Let me try and see if I can open it. And the thing is, like, whenever I get gel nails done, I always get them done in the salon, so this will be fun, and it'll save you a heck of a lot of money as well. So okay, and the good thing is as well, so obviously when I finish showing you, you'll see what it all comes with, but I have a $60 coupon for you guys, so you can get all this stuff that I'm showing you at literally a fraction of the price. So definitely stock up. The offer is only available until the 31st of December, so make sure to use it if you want to. Okay, so this is the UV lamp, comes in this box. It's so petite, so cute. Let's open that. This is literally going to save you so much, because okay, so this is what it looks like, and I'm guessing these stands pop out or something. Yeah, there we go. Pop them out, and then you'll obviously leave it on the table. You'll see me using them later. So there's an instruction manual here. It comes with the USB cable. Good thing I've got my laptop right here, so I can plug it into that. And also, if you had like a wall adapter, like your phone charger or something, you could charge it. You could plug it into the wall. So yeah, it comes with a full user manual, so you know what you're doing. But yeah, so that's that. And then this next bit got me really shook. Like, I was not expecting this. I was not ready for it. Okay, so let me show you the box first, because dang. And like I said, honestly, this stuff is all such good quality. You can see it. You can actually see it here in the video. So this is a box, and I was like, oh, what could be in this box? Yeah. And then I open the box, and then I see this. Are you ready for this? Are you actually ready for this? Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is legit, right? And I'm not even joking. If you buy one of these, you will see for yourself, but the quality is like Michael Kors type. Like the material of this bag is beautiful. I literally like stood there and I was like, oh my god. Let me bring it out for you. And it comes with its dust bag as well. It's such good quality, nice and weighty as well. There's obviously stuff in it as well, but look how beautiful this is. So you can use this to kind of carry all your you know, beauty stuff in it, all your nail kit and everything. But what is even better is, believe it or not, it comes with a beautiful gold strap that you can attach. Let me pull it out. You can attach it to the bag and then use it as a handbag. Like, I'm literally in love with this. This bag is perfection. Let's hook that up. Oop, hook it up. Look at that. Look at this, man. This is insane. Honestly, like, I wish I like had my mum film my reaction when I opened this, because I was like, oh my god, look at that. Oh, hold on, there we go. Look at that. So you can literally, like, you know, hang it on your shoulder, and you have this beautiful bag hanging from the, you know, the gold chain. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. Right, so this is that. I didn't actually show you the inside, did I? So this is the inside of the bag. You can see that it's just one compartment. Like I said, you can use it for as a makeup bag without the straps, or as a full-on bag. This is gorgeous, that one. And it doesn't end here, guys, because this kit comes with more stuff, right? So what else does it come with? Gel remover wraps. Also in the bag, there's literally so much stuff. This is such good value for money. You get your nail file in here as well. So obviously, if you're going to do your gel nails, then you need to file the surface of your nail just to make it stick, to help it stick and last longer. You have, yeah, so there's more of these cloths that you can remove your gel nails with. What else? There's so much, it's unreal. Let me get it out. Ugh. Okay, so, and it also comes with, you know, loads of different tools. I think you can see that, hopefully. What else? It comes with this, which is so nice. It reminds me of, I can't remember what it is, some celeb that has like makeup. So there's this, which, watch this, where is it? There we go. Ta-da! It's a brush, look. So this is kind of for dusting, you know, when you kind of file and dust the kind of excess bits off, whatever. But you know what, I could actually use this as a face brush. It's so soft. But yes, that's what that is. All nail tools, obviously. Love that. So perfect and compact. It comes with, and I'll leave the discount code down below as well, so if you do want to purchase this whole kit, you get $60 off, like I said. Okay, so it comes with some more nail tools. So I don't know if you can see this because it's so fine, but basically this is for kind of nail art. So yes, put that back in there. What else? So much stuff. Oh, come out. Okay, and some more. Ooh, can't get that off, but some more tools. There's like a brush shaped on there. And these are amazing quality, and as you can see, they all obviously say Modelones on it. So yeah, amazing quality, and you will see for yourself. Like I said, I'm not just saying this. And you get a cuticle cutter. Okay, there you go. And yes, we're still going. You get a nail cutter as well. You know what a nail cutter looks like. Let me get it out. Yep, a nail cutter. Ooh, look at that, it's black. That is well chic. Love that. And then finally you get your buffer in here. So there's this is the buffer here. and it's washable as well. So is this the buffer or is this the nail file? So is it upside down? There you go. So very, very nice. Absolutely love it. 100% my favorite things are these containers. I think they're delightful, and this bag. Honestly guys, this bag is quality, like serious quality. Look at it, just look at it. Everything about it is so nice. Oh my god, thank you so much Modelones for this. So guys, the nail polish then, let me just do a quick demonstration for you. Like I said, whenever I get my nails done I usually go to the salon, but today I'm gonna do it myself. Nearly dropped everything. So yeah, today I'm going to do it myself, just kind of show you. I'm going to show you kind of the nail colors and things like that. So basically, like, because I'm praying, so I'm not going to put nail polish on my actual nails, so I've just got some stick-on nails, which I quite like actually. I'm going to do it on top of that, just to demonstrate and to give you an idea of the color payoff and things like that. So where's the white one? So this is the top coat. This is the white one. Nope, that's the silver one. On the white. So this is the base coat, and then this is therefore the white. So let me adjust the camera and show. Okay guys, so I think I might have said this already in the video, but basically because I am praying, so I'm not going to put the gel nails on my nails, my actual nails. So I've just stuck on some stick-on nails, and I'm going to do on that. So I've got the UV lamp here, and yes, I'm going to go straight into it. So you need to first of all apply the base coat, and I've plugged this into my laptop, so hopefully like that power is strong enough. So let me just move that out there first of all. Whoops. I absolutely love this case. So you literally, obviously before you actually do gel nails on your actual nails, you should like prepare your nails and your cuticles, tidy it all up, roughen the surface of your nails and stuff. Ooh, this is potent. Okay, and then you would literally just obviously start off by putting the base on. Okay, and then literally just do that with all the nails. You're not really... Right, so then you take your UV lamp, and basically you've got the 60 seconds or 90 seconds. So I'll put 60 seconds, you can see the light is on there, and I'll just leave my hands under there until the light goes off. So I don't know if you can see the light because my light's pretty bright, but there is a light there. And that's just curing it, so setting that first base. So this one here that I've just applied. This is very neat. It's very compact. You can literally travel around with it. Oh my god, guys, it's like, what time is it? 7:53. I'm so tired. Got back from work and then literally started doing all this. I need to get all my videos filmed ready for Nigeria. Let's see. Ooh, okay, it's worked. So then you get your nail color and then go in with that. So let's go down. This is a very, very, look at that, one layer, and already it's, woof, dang. So I don't even need to go in with that again, because that is more than enough. I feel like I maybe should have left it on for 90 seconds, the light, so that it dried a bit more. It dried a bit more. But yeah, that's insane. Ah, I love this. Oh my good god. Okay, I actually much prefer these nails this color. Ah, how nice is that? Oh, you can't see it, there we go. So as you can see, if I come a bit closer, literally this is not at all opaque, and I only use one layer. Okay, so then bring back the lamp, and I'll put 90 seconds this time, put your fingers in there. And what I'd say is, because of kind of there's no closure here, so I would say to do your 4 fingers first and then to do your thumb separately, and then that'll help. Oh, I'll just put that on there. Keep putting nail polish on there. Ah, I've done it again. What am I like? My thumb's gonna get ruined before I finish. Okay, and then the light's gone off. So like I said, I would also do like the thumb separately and the little finger, because the 3 were kind of in properly, but then the other 2 were kind of a bit out. But anyway, let's jump to the top coat. I'll just do these 3 fingers just because I'm really sleepy, guys. I'm so tired. It's Friday, it's been a long week. But do you know what? I think I'm gonna actually paint the rest of these false nails this color, so that if I ever want to, you know, jazz my nails up, I can just stick it on. It's such a convenient way to do it. And then just get the top coat here, and like so, I'll just apply it on these 3 because these are the 3 that I have cured. Oh my god, it really works. That is amazing. I am very impressed. Guys, you literally just saw me do that whole thing on camera, and you saw that I put 1 layer of the nail polish, this one. Look at that, absolutely amazing, gorgeous. It's so nice, love it. So that is the end of the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to purchase yours in time if you would like to treat yourself, treat a friend or whatever. It makes for the perfect present. And you get $60 off. Use my code, which is AISHCREA60, which I don't think I've said actually. But yeah, AISHCREA60. So yes.